All right, so this would be my game that I've been working on. Nothing too much yet there, but I do have a couple items. This will all be useful in the game when it gets there. Got a nice jump. You have a crouch, which is actually a shrink. So I figure make use of both of those together. Then this is kind of a sample of how the flow of the game would end up going. Uh, Load that up, unload that, save that, and bring character all the way over there. Blah, 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 blah. Oopsie. Save that, unload that, and let's start from the beginning there. So you got a nice little start screen. Leaderboard is not connected yet. Options is getting there, but no volume yet. You have different difficulties, so go ahead and be on hard mode. You got 4 minutes now for this maze. Run in and, oh no, can't get through. Ah, how do I solve this? Well, you'll have these two cauldrons there, and you'll notice in your top right of the screen, you have two rocks or stones, magical stones. So you'll want to pick up the first one there. And once you have the first one, it's like, where do I get the other? Well, put that in the cauldron. It'll go down, activate this one, get your second stone, put it into the other cauldron, and finally you'll be able to escape the maze. And so there it is, a quick brief overview of my progress on my game so far. It does need a lot of work, but it is a lot of fun to get there. So hope you enjoy and hope I can update you again next time. Have a good one.